If you have ever wished you could create high-quality music instantly, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to learn how to use TopMediai AI Music Generator, one of the best AI music generators with realistic human vocals and clear quality sounds for content creators and composers. It allows you to create music in seconds in any genre. Now, listen briefly to this Christmas song I made with this tool.
Laughter in the streets, voices everywhere, people coming close, love filling the air, smiles from strangers, kindness on each face, hearts lifting gently, the season brings us grace.
Hearts are open wide, love is all around. Hope is rising high, peace can now be found.
This is Christmas, feel it in your soul. A time to rise, a time to make us whole. This is Christmas, let the light shine through. A time for love, for me and you.
This is Christmas,
every heart can mend. The season bright with broken hearts ascend.
this is Christmas,
Let it fill the night. A time for joy, a time for love and light.
Lovely, right? TopMediai AI gives you the speed, quality, and creative freedom you need to produce music without stress. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, this tool makes it easy to generate studio-level tracks that fit your videos, ads, projects, or personal ideas. You can also upload your music to music distribution platforms. Let's dive in and see how simple it is to turn your ideas into beautiful songs. Let's begin by visiting the TopMediai AI website, which you can access using the link in the description with a special discount code for you. Create your account with your email and password. It is completely free. What makes this platform special is that it is far more than a simple music app. It is an advanced AI song creator that offers multiple ways to build music. You can start with lyrics, an image, or even a short text idea, and the AI will shape it into a complete, professional-sounding track. If you already have lyrics but no melody, just paste them into the generator and let the AI compose a full song with melody, harmony, and instrumentals that blend together naturally. And if you have no lyrics at all, that is perfectly fine. The AI can instantly generate original lyrics for you, giving you fresh ideas to work with. The image-to-music feature is equally impressive. When you upload a picture, the AI studies its mood and atmosphere, then creates music that reflects the emotion captured in the image. For simple text prompts, all you need to do is type something like, "a song about love," or "energetic rap," and the system will create a custom track within seconds. You do not need any musical experience, only your imagination. With the latest update, TopMediai AI now lets you generate songs up to 8 minutes long. This is a major upgrade for anyone creating background scores, long projects, or full-length music pieces. For this tutorial, we are using the lyrics to music features. Start by selecting the music model that will generate the track. I am choosing the latest version 5 because it delivers some of the most natural-sounding results. If you already have lyrics, just paste them in. But to keep things simple, I will let the AI handle the writing. Scroll down a little and you will find the Inspired Lyrics option. This is where creativity begins. Type in your inspiration or theme and click on the Start Writing button. The AI will generate unique lyrics for you. For example, if I want a song about victory, I simply select that theme and the AI creates original lyrics in seconds, ready to be turned into a complete song. Now that our song lyrics are ready, the next step is to shape the overall sound of the track. One thing that makes this tool stand out is that it does far more than generate lyrics. You can choose if you want only instrumentals or lyrics. You can also fully style your song by choosing the genre, instruments, mood, and atmosphere you want. This gives you full creative control and helps the AI match the exact vibe you have in mind. If you prefer not to choose the style yourself, you can let the AI guide you. Click on the Inspired Style button. type a short description of the music you want, and press the Start Writing button. The AI will instantly create a custom style by selecting the genre, mood, and arrangement that best fit your theme. It is a simple way to discover new ideas while keeping the track aligned with your vision. Next, choose a singing voice for your song. You can leave it on random if you want the AI to pick the best match, or you can manually select a male or female voice. If you want consistency across multiple tracks, you can even create a custom voice that becomes your signature singer. For this tutorial, I will select a male vocalist. After that, give your song a suitable title. Another feature I like in this tool is the ability to exclude a style you don't want in the Advanced Settings tab. You can try it and play with it. There is also an optional feature that lets you upload a reference audio. With this, the AI can create a track that carries a similar feel or style to the song you upload. It is perfect for recreating a certain mood. I will leave this feature untouched for now, but feel free to explore it later. You can choose to share your song with the public or keep it private. Before moving on, check that all your settings look right and confirm that the instrumental-only option is turned off. Otherwise, the vocals will not appear. Once everything is set, click the Create button. Within a few seconds, your full track will be ready. Now, let's listen briefly to the song generated.
The sun is rising higher than the doubt. Every shadow's running scared, it's fading out. Feet on the ground, fists in the air. I'm not just alive, I'm everywhere. I hear the drums, they call my name. No retreat, I play the game. We won't back down, we'll stand, we'll fight. Our hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our moment, this is our time. Victory's calling. The world is mine. The world is mine. The road was long, the scars still ache, but every crack just proves we don't break. The wind's at my back, the sky's so clear. I've got no fear, no fear, no fear. The echoes scream, you can't, you won't, but my soul shouts louder. Yes, I will. The stars align, the night won't last. The future's here, goodbye to the past. We won't back down, we'll stand, we'll fight. Our hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our moment, this is our time. Victory's calling. The world is mine. The world is mine.
Impressive, right? The audio quality and arrangement are even better than what many people get from Suno AI, and every track you create is completely copyright-free. You can use the music commercially without worrying about strikes or licensing issues. When you are ready to save your song, click the Download button, choose your preferred audio format, and it will be stored directly on your device. What makes this even more exciting is that you are not limited to creating just one track. You can make as many songs as you like for both personal and commercial use. If you ever run out of credits, topping up is simple and very affordable. The platform is transparent and reliable, so you never have to worry about credits being deducted incorrectly or wasted. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you sticking around until the end. I hope this tutorial has given you everything you need to start creating your own high-quality music with AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing what kind of song you plan to create first. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.